Today we will learn about how to click on a button available on the web page. Okay, so I'll take you the example of facebook.com. So here is our web page facebook.com. So we have a login button here. So in today's video we will see how our Selenium program will click on this login button. So as we have seen in our last video, so we usually inspect all the elements and we used to get the ID or name or class name locators so that our Selenium program can interact with that particular element. So we'll do the same here as well. So let's right click and inspect on this button. So let me bring it down. Okay, so let us inspect on the login button. So here we have the id value for this particular button, so we will take this one. So let's go to our IDE and let's create the program. Let me create a new class altogether for today's session. Let us keep the name as button demo and let's include the void main. Okay, so I simply copy pasted the basic steps what we need in order to start the web browser and to maximize it, and I have given the URL here, driver.get facebook.com. So the next step is to to interact with the button available on facebook.com page. Driver dot find element by dot, we have ID here, so let's take ID. I will copy the value of ID and dot click as we are clicking on this button, right? So let's bring this line of code to little right side. So save the code and simply right click and run as Java application. So now Selenium is interacting with the Chrome browser. The browser is maximized and facebook.com page is loaded. Why I didn't click on the login button? Let's go and see. No such element exception. So let's see what is the issue. Let's inspect this login button once again. Let's click on the login. ID is u underscore 0 underscore b. Let's copy it and let's see. if we have provided the same thing on our application, on our code. Okay, let's save it and run it once again, and we'll see if this is working or not. So the web page is opening now. Facebook.com is getting loaded. And it clicked on the login button. So you guys see how the button interaction is happening. So we have to take the XPath or ID or name or class name locator for that particular button, and we have to provide in our code like driver.find element by the locator name and the value of that locator dot click. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.